So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-sign in ng Apple ID account sa ating phone. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para makapag-log in tayo or makapag-sign in ng account sa phone gamit ang ating Apple ID, unang-una is pupunta lang tayo guys sa settings. So, kung wala pang naka-sign in dun sa inyong phone, ganito yung lalabas dyan guys. So, nakalagay dito sa pinakantaas is sign in to your iPhone. So, itatap lang natin to kasi wala pa siyang naka-sign in or naka-login. So, dito naman sa Apple ID is ilalagay nyo lang yung inyong Apple ID email or yung phone number na ginamit ninyo sa pag-create ng Apple ID account. So, lagay lang natin is email or phone number. Then, after yung may lagay yung inyong Apple ID email, itap lang natin yung next na nandito sa upper right corner. Then, after naman yun guys, is may lalabas dito sa baba na required password. So, ilalagay lang natin yung password ng ating Apple ID account. And ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, nagsa-signing in to iCloud na yung aking account. So, wait lang natin to guys. And dito required din guys na ilagay yung password ng mismong phone. So ilalagay nyo lang dito yung 6-digit code ng lock ng inyong phone. And then guys, kung makikita nyo, andito na yung aking account and then yung profile picture kasama ang aking Apple ID email. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-sign in or log in ng account sa phone gamit ang ating Apple ID. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.